Guys, I'm so addicted na. So, I bought a new variant. Milky Choco Makapuno and Milky Ube Halaya. I want to try the chocolate first, actually. And let's see if it's good. Ah! This one is the... Ooh, it smells so chocolatey. Malamang kasi nga. Chocolate. Okay, anyway. Ang sarap. Sarap siya. Chocolate. Wait. But, I still prefer the Milky Makapuno. But this is good. It's good. Masarap. Come here. Try mo.
Hey guys.
Have you tried this?
Oh, this one?
That one
Not
tastes
yet.
so good.
I like this one.
You haven't even tried it yet. Yeah. Can you get me my jug?
It's good, huh?
This one tastes better. Try it.
Which one?
This one is the ube.
I like ube. Mom's favorite.
Mm-hmm.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, go try it.
So, guys, this is Milky Ube Halaya from...
Halaya.
Sorry na. I'm a homegrown Atenean. You cannot blame me. I'm spokening...
Don't kamay it!
Ay, sorry. Pero pwede rin ikamay. Hindi ko pa nga natutunay eh.
This is just halaya, not makapuno. Wait lang. Chill! Fat ass.
Hey, good. Basta, actually, gusto ko.
This one pa rin.
Where's the toothpick?
Here.
Ito.
I don't like it.
Ako, ube, still good.
It's good.
Kaya nga eh.
There's an aftertaste. I don't like it. Ugh.
Wala siya.
Wala, naglilihi ka lang. Right?
Yan din iisip ko eh. But I like chocolate talaga. Milk chocolate.
But I like this one.
Yeah,
I've never
this one,
tried that
right?
one yet.
Wait. Wait.
That's the best.
Another toothpick.
This is,
Guys, this is so good talaga. This is my favorite.
sa akin, Clyde.
Wait.
Ay, may duck. Duck na lang ako.
My favorite.
Pinipick ko kasi eh.
Baba mo, hindi ko bukas.